What if you could own a classic Mustang, a big block Galaxie, or even a first-year Firebird, all for under 10 grand? We've rounded up 15 affordable classics from the US and Canada, and a few of these deals might be gone before you finish watching. Let's get started. Car number 1, 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, $9,500. We're starting with an American icon. This 1966 Ford Mustang from Chatsworth, Georgia, is powered by a dependable inline-six backed by an automatic transmission. The seller says it runs and drives perfectly, with working lights, wipers, and power steering. The interior is in great shape, and aside from a few small rust spots and some floor pan wear, it's described as a very reliable cruiser. If you're looking for an affordable first-generation Mustang you can enjoy right away, this one checks a lot of boxes. Car number 2, 1966 Dodge Coronet Deluxe for $7,000. Next up is this clean 1966 Dodge Coronet Deluxe from St. Mary's, West Virginia. Under the hood is Chrysler's legendary 225 Slant 6 paired with an automatic transmission, a combination known for its durability. The seller describes it as a very nice driver-quality car that's ready to enjoy. If reliability matters more than raw horsepower, this Coronet offers classic Mopar style at a very reasonable price. Car number 3, 1968 Ford Ranger Short Bed, $7,500. Here's a classic Ford pickup with plenty of work already completed. Located in Hartsville, South Carolina, this 1968 Ford Ranger Short Bed is described as being about 90% restored. While the listing doesn't go into detail, that usually means most of the heavy lifting has already been done. If you're searching for a vintage truck that's close to the finish line, this Ford could save you both time and money. Car number 4, 1966 Ford F100, $7,850. This 1966 Ford F100 from Concord, North Carolina is powered by a 352 V8 and automatic transmission. The seller recently had the exterior refinished, giving the truck a clean appearance, while the floors, rockers, and fenders are all reported to be solid. The bed still needs some attention, but mechanically it's described as a good running truck. For someone wanting a usable classic pickup with a strong V8, this looks like a promising project. Car number 5, 1969 Dodge Dart, $6,500. We'll wrap up part 1 with this original 1969 Dodge Dart from Franklin, Ohio. It's equipped with a 273 V8 and a 3-speed automatic transmission. According to the seller, everything works, it runs and drives well, and both the floors and trunk are solid. The clean title and mostly original condition make it an appealing option for buyers looking for an honest, affordable Mopar that can be driven while gradually improved over time. Car number 6, 1967 Pontiac Firebird for $9,000. Next is a true muscle car project. This 1967 Pontiac Firebird from Elyria, Ohio is powered by a rebuilt 400 V8 paired with a manual transmission. The engine starts, but the car isn't street-ready and will need to be towed home. It also has rust in the floor pans and other areas, with several unfinished projects left to complete. If you've been searching for a first-year Firebird to restore your way, this could be a rewarding project. Car number 7, 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle, $9,500. Here's a classic Chevy that's ready to enjoy. This 1966 Chevelle 4-door from Bordentown, New Jersey features a 327 V8, automatic transmission, fresh blue paint, and a clean black interior. The seller doesn't mention any major issues and is even open to interesting trades. While 2-door Chevelles usually get the spotlight, this 4-door still delivers timeless styling and V8 power at a much lower price. Car number 8. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, $7,500. This 1965 Ford Mustang from Clarksburg, West Virginia has received a long list of tasteful upgrades while keeping its original 289 V8 and Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. Recent improvements include new wheels and tires, Edelbrock intake and carburetor, HEI ignition, upgraded alternator, Bluetooth radio, and much more. The seller says it's their daily driver, with only a minor electrical draw and a noisy fan clutch left to sort out. Overall, it sounds like a solid Mustang you can drive and enjoy. Car number 9, 1963 MGB Roadster, $5,000. For something completely different, here's a 1963 MGB, finished in classic British racing green. This unique roadster has been owned by the same enthusiast for 55 years and features a rebuilt engine, overdrive transmission, chrome wire wheels, and a quality convertible top. It's been off the road for nearly a decade and has some rust in the sills, but the engine reportedly runs well from an external fuel source. If you enjoy vintage British sports cars, this MGB has plenty of character. Car number 10, 1967 Chevrolet Corvair 110, $7,500. We'll wrap up part 2 with this well-maintained 1967 Chevrolet Corvair 110 from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Powered by the 110 horsepower air-cooled flat 6 and a Powerglide automatic, it's received over $5,000 in recent mechanical work, including a rebuilt transmission, complete brake overhaul, fuel pump, and suspension components. The only notable issue is a non-working speedometer cable. If you're looking for a dependable Corvair that's already had the expensive mechanical work completed, this one stands out. Car number 11. 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 XL, Canadian $9,100. This 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 XL from McKellar, Ontario, is powered by a 390 big block V8 sourced from a 1968 Mercury Cougar. The seller says it runs and drives great and has recently received a new brake booster and master cylinder. It also comes with 2 sets of wheels, giving the next owner a few styling options. If you're looking for a full-size Ford with plenty of V8 power, this Galaxie is definitely worth a look. Car number 12.
Okay, ça c'est l'intérieur. Tout marche, les barres sont toutes refaites en nœud, la voûte elle est toute en neuve, il y a des speakers Bluetooth, un autre là. Seule affaire, lui il tient plus. C'est le seul problème. Sinon, that's it, là, tout va super bien.
1969 Pontiac Parisienne Hardtop, CA8, $1,800. Next is this sharp-looking 1969 Pontiac Parisienne 2-door hardtop from Quebec. Under the hood is a Chevrolet 350 V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, and the car has received several upgrades, including rear disc brakes, a stainless steel exhaust, new leather seats, a new headliner, and a Bluetooth audio system. The seller says the frame and floors are solid, but the carburetor needs attention after sitting through the winter. Overall, it looks like a solid project with lots of work already completed. Car number 13, 1950 Ford Custom Coupe, CA 9,499. Here's a beautiful 1950 Ford Custom Coupe being offered by a dealership in Quebec. Finished in blue with a white interior, this classic features a manual transmission and shows just over 87,000 kilometers. The listing doesn't provide many mechanical details, but the car appears to be clean and well presented. If you're searching for a traditional post-war Ford coupe with timeless styling, this one is certainly worth checking out. Car number 14, 1969 Plymouth Fury 3, Canadian $6,300. This 1969 Plymouth Fury 3 from Ontario is an affordable full-size Mopar that's ready to cruise. Powered by a 318 V8 and automatic transmission, the seller says it runs and drives well, has new tires and brakes, and has been garage kept. It's also described as an all-original car, which is always a plus for collectors. At just over 6,000 Canadian dollars, it's an attractive option for anyone wanting a comfortable vintage cruiser.
Car number 15, 1951 Pontiac Silver Streak, CA $8,000. We'll finish today's lineup with this 1951 Pontiac Silver Streak from Castleman, Ontario. The car was repainted in 2014 and still retains its original 6-volt electrical system. It hasn't run in about 2 years, and the seller believes it needs a starter and a fuel pump to get back on the road. It also comes with a collection of extra trim pieces and bumpers. For someone who enjoys bringing classic cars back to life, this Silver Streak could be a rewarding restoration project.
Which classic would you choose? The Mustang, the Firebird, or maybe that big block Galaxie? Tell me your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed discovering affordable classic cars for sale, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next collection of classic car deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.